Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset Discord account settings, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin resetting your Discord account settings, first, open the Discord application on your device. Log into your account if you haven't already done so. Once you are logged in, look for the user settings icon, usually shaped like a gear, located at the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on the user settings icon to access the settings menu. In the settings menu, scroll down the left sidebar until you find the privacy and safety section. Click on privacy and safety to view your current privacy settings. Here, you can adjust options related to direct messages, friend requests, and who can add you as a friend. Next, return to the left sidebar and scroll down to find the appearance section. Click on appearance to view settings related to the visual interface of Discord. You can select different themes, toggle the compact mode, and adjust the font size here. After adjusting your appearance settings, navigate back to the left sidebar and look for the voice and video section. Click on voice and video to review your audio settings. Here, you can reset your input and output device settings, as well as test your microphone and speaker. Now, return to the main settings menu and find the notifications section in the left sidebar. Click on notifications to adjust your notification preferences. You can toggle different notifications for messages, mentions, and server alerts. For further adjustments, navigate to the keybinds section in the left sidebar. In keybinds, you can manage your keyboard shortcuts and reset them to their defaults. Now, if you wish to reset your server settings, you will need to do this from the server settings if you're an admin. Right-click on your server name in the left sidebar and select Server Settings. To reset all settings completely, note that you might have to create a new account, as there isn't a direct option to reset all settings to default. Remember to document any important settings before making large changes. Finally, once you've completed all adjustments, exit out of the settings menu to save your changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.